You jump on a train at King's Cross. Take us over to Islands of Adventure. See if a busker's playing.
Never seen the busker, have we?
Look at the boards, they're not quite accurate. That should say delayed, 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 or cancelled, cancelled, cancelled. This Hedwig look. Hogsmeade.
The train over.
The train over. It's quite quick, isn't it?
Yeah, no,
There's a big queue, but it went quite quick. And we went to Hogsmeade and we've got a couple of frozen butterbeers.
Got to be frozen.
Yes, frozen's best.
I don't know what your favourite is, but ours is frozen.
Good? It's quite sweet. I like it. It's definitely better than the ordinary butterbeer. Definitely go for the frozen. If you want a seat, there's restrooms. Just before we come to the restroom, you turn left. Hogshead pub. There's plenty of seats. Come here, it's usually pretty quiet. Yeah. And the bonus of the Hogsmeade is Hogshead. So you get a view of the castle. So it's 2 frozen butterbeers, $15, so $7.50 each. So you can pay a bit extra and get the souvenir cups that we put. And they sit in a cupboard and don't do much.
Occasionally they get used, very occasionally.
I don't know how much they are. Probably about $10, $12. I'm going to enjoy this. We've got the early hours tomorrow, so in an hour early, I think.
Yeah, 7 o'clock, I think.
Oh,
Or 8 o'clock.
oh my head. Oh,
Wrong?
cold. Oh, I'll get behind me there. Oh, so. Oh, sore.
It's a bit of a drama queen.
Oh. So we're going to head up to Hogwarts, try and go on the Forbidden Journey, and then we can also do the Hippogriff. We're in the Jurassic Park Discovery Centre now. This is where you check up the dinosaurs. Wee baby ones.
Said we check up for someone, didn't we?
We did, yes. Special someone.
Yep.
I think it's a few years old now, this dinosaur.
Must be 2? 2.5?
Yeah.
We need to find someone
It must
to
be quite big.
check up on him. You said you look up a dinosaur for someone, are you able to see who it's getting on? Yeah, do you have the name and the birthday? Yep, that's the name's Orange.
Orange.
Orange? And it is the 4th of May, 17. Okay. Thank you.
This might be the most checked up dinosaur in history.
Yep.
I'm keeping a close eye on it.
Right, Orange. You said May 4th, 2017. Yes. Velociraptor. It was Dr. Dragnew when she was born. She's currently in pack 12. She's 6 feet tall. 6 feet tall.
Huh?
Weighs 250 pounds. 250 pounds. Her favorite food is cow. Favorite food is cow. And she has orange eyes. And she has orange eyes. Just like her name. Here, you can take that back.
Oh, take that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Athy. Thank you. There we go. We got a wee certificate as well. Date of birth, species, current location. Is that a picture?
Yep, it's a picture
there. No, she's still doing well. That's good.
Yep. didn't say she was still losing the pack though, so we don't know.
No, but we'll some she is. So maybe we'll come back in another 3 years and check up on her. So if you want, you can come out at, what's that called? Discovery Centre?
Yep.
The ground floor. Get this little space out the back.
Yeah, but don't go too far down because it is a dedicated smoking area.
Yes. Gives you a nice view though of islands. You can see Toothsome in the distance there. You see the Hulk.
The lighthouse.
A lot of people don't know about this wee area. Lots of little games here you can play, try and win a prize. I can see a certain Sean vlog playing these games. What did you win? Very nice hat. Fluffy toy. It's a river adventure. We want to do that, but we can't do it because we're not good children.
Not my children.
That's not fair.
Yeah, stay. And Jimmy, they can borrow Jimmy.
That's another first for us. King Kong, Skull Island.
I've not done this one either.
Going to do it?
It was getting built the last time we were here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just come off of Kong there.
Kong was really good. I like Kong.
I was surprised how good it was because I'd heard mixed reports about it. Most of the things I'd heard were just kind of okay. Much prefer that to Fast and Furious.
Oh, by far.
You're on the right hand side of the truck, the best side I think to be on.
There's some stuff in the left as well. On the right, they're even better, I think.
Definitely do that again.
Yeah, they're bad.
We're into Marvel superhero land now. We're going to Spidey? Yes. Yes. Next up, Spidey. Spidey is a classic. A fan favourite of Spidey. Everybody likes it.
5 years we've been waiting for this.
We're at the Hulk.
It was down the last time, all dismantled, wasn't it? All the bodies and tube.
It was quite jerky last time we did it, so they took it down and refurbished it.
Good actor.
Gave me a sore head.
Is it?
But I used to ride it.
Let's hope it's smoother for you.
I'm going to try and jump on it. Express line, let's go. That's right. This is the first ever coaster that I've done. Yeah, I done it first. Then Leslie, wait till I done it. See how it went. Then she decided to do it. Once we've done it, now it's hooked. The coasters. It's got a special place for us. Just off the Hulk there.
Yep.
Well, do you like it?
Yeah. Like front row as well, without even having to queue. Really good.
It's a lot smoother than the last thing I feel. There's a few wee, it's improved the the effects on it inside the tunnel.
Yeah.
It's a bit different.
Oh, it's a bit different, yeah.
So, it's a great coaster. Still well, that and Mako are my two favourites.
Yeah, they're probably mine as well.
They're a bit different. Mako you get more sort of airtime, there's no sort of loops in it. It's faster, it's taller. The Hulk's more sort of, you get some loops in it. Brilliant, loved it. So we nip through the shops, and then nip in the hotel, hopefully get a room, that's sorted. Quick change, well maybe refreshen up, then out. That was a good try for the cats. Bell and video would love that.
Yeah, more so.
Yes.
I like that.
It's quite nice.
Quite fun though.
It's quite sensible there. No avoiding in the shops. However, I will be back. There might be a few purchases later on. Anyway, back to the hotel. Get a room tour. We can then do. I'll give you a quick room tour, of course.
Well, I'm getting ready.
Yes. Hard Rock's looking nice at night time. In the Hard Rock. Can you find the room? What number is it? 6051. So we made it to the Hard Rock Hotel. We're on the 6th floor. Just give you a quick room tour. What we got here. As soon as you come in, got a closet. Got an iron. Got a digital safe on the wall. Plenty of coat hangers. Iron board. Loads of storage in there. Turn round, straight into the bathroom. They're all drumsticks. Oh, nice plush mat on the ground. Got a nice sink. Toiletries. Nice big mirror. Also got a extendable mirror. Oh. This is the main toilet. Wash hand basin, WC. Plenty of fluffy towels. Typical shower. Again. And got two, I think they're queen beds, aren't they?
Yeah.
2 queen beds. Plenty of pillows. Some artwork on the wall. Big flat screen TV. We've got some storage down here. A couple of chairs. Desk there. If you want to do any work, which I don't think we do. I'm quite happy with this room. So we're going to stay here for one night, so I won't be here too long. But I can live with this. A 5-minute walk. We're on Citywalk. We've tried 2 places so far. We tried Bubba Gump's. They want, there's an hour's wait to get a table for Bubba Gump's.
For 2?
That's for 2 people. Then we tried Cowfish. They were saying about 40 to 50 minutes, again for a table for 2. So we're going to try Margaritaville. Hopefully I've hit quite a lot. Don't mind waiting about 20 minutes.
Half an hour.
Let's stay half an hour.
That's what I reckon you're going to have to wait.
We'll soon see. That's another one down. Tried Margaritaville. They were saying about 40 minutes.
Probably thinks we're going to get somewhere that's less.
Yes, I'm going to try the NBC grill now.
I think you must be looking at a different place than me when you see how busy it is.
We made it to NBC grill. We're up and asked, and they said 20 to 30 minutes for a table for 2. So I said, yes, I'll do it. I think that. So I was right.
See how long?
I don't know if it's like here.
I've heard it's quite good.
I also heard that it wasn't too great at the start.
I've heard it's better now.
That was saved for Leslie's feet walking to the Hard Rock Cafe. I'll try the mushroom burger. Got the perfect seat. We're sitting outside. Actually warmer outside than inside. And this is actually the perfect seat for me. Sitting outside my lovely wife. And if you just look up, I've got the game on the TV. So Billy's happy.
Your team's not playing though, are they?
No. But football odds, I don't mind. I've got a few Citywalk.
Yeah, I've got a turkey burger with beer battered fries, and Billy's got
I went for the mushroom burger.
mushroom burger,
Sauteed mushrooms, I think.
and it's medium, isn't it?
Medium. It's quite rare. See the juice in it.
Well,
Fries as well. Very tasty.
nice.
Very tasty. I like it. Liz is attacking her burger now.
Mine's got mayo all pushing it.
So tuck in. Nice.
Very nice.
Great tuck in there, right? Gonna eat this burger, attack it. Yeah, so we've just got a bill there. Going to take a wee guess at it. I'm going to say $44.
47. 47.
I'll see who's right. Burger, fries, soda. Burger, fries, soda. Total was $37.58.
Oh well, we're both well out.
Then it tells you the tip, what's the chest here. So say 20%, so say $42.
Right.
That's okay. So I think I was closest. I got that right again.
No, you went right. You're 44. Well, the 37.
I'm quite good at numbers. There you go. This is paid. Bill paid.
Really nice, a bit messy because there's tomato in it and it was a bit watery. The juice came out, but apart from that, it was fine. You could do a wee wet wipes there.
Yes, Yeah, that's what I found. My burger was asked for it medium. We cooked medium, and it was medium. It had quite a lot of pink in the middle, a wee bit of blood. And that was no juice coming out, but I don't mind it that way. Just a bit messy to eat. But my first water taxi.
One more night, I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer.
Yeah, the end of the vlog for today, I think. Leslie's getting ready for bed. She's tired. Sore feet, tired.
No makeup on.
That's why she's not on camera. We're up early tomorrow. We've got early entry to the park at 8 o'clock. It's Islands Adventure tomorrow, 8 till 9. So we'll go up, maybe go and do a few rides, get something to eat in the park. I might try my first Cinnabon tomorrow. Looking forward to that. So I think that's us for today. Going to sign off. I'll take you into the park tomorrow for another fun-filled day at the parks.